Iwa te kauma, iwa ino ono ki whangareina, iwa te kauma, iwa tahi, ina tahi. Hey, it's been a weekend. I tuatu I hukurangi morena te iwi!
Morena te iwi, e ara e mara!
Woo! Hey, work it out. Hey, cobwebs out. Cobwebs out. Work it, twerk it, bump it, move it. Hit it, bossy.
I'm working it out. Okay, boy, tonight.
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Just a minute, take my lead. 1, 2,
hey!
to the back and get up side. On to the side and 1, 2, 3, to the front. 40 rolls.
That's right. We're back, everybody. It's a Monday morning. Ata Marie kia koutou katoa.
Morena e te iwi nui tonu.
Oh, kia ora.
I know, I sound like a drag queen this morning.
Do staccato morena. Morena e te iwi.
Morena e te iwi. Tēnā koutou.
Katoa.
Koutou mai koutou. Ki tēnei hotaka kia nei ko e are mana kei konei māuatahi. And Luke, ahau.
Ai.
Me tō nā kahore.
No, I'll be next year. Not here again.
Taki rua tēnei. Mihi atu nei, kei roto i te whare tānoa ki te iwa kraka i te ata nei. And I gotta say, what a beautiful weekend that was.
Oh, I saw your Instagram. You've been
yours.
Oh, we've both been busy girls.
Hey, girl.
What a great weekend, though. It's just the season for socialising. We're all out and about. Everyone's just got a good vibe and good energy.
Yes, so we went up to the Peo Whairangi. Stayed in Waitangi. And, like, you know, the borders are open. So Tamaki's here.
Oh, yeah. How did that feel?
It was kind of weird, but it was, like, empty.
Oh, still?
Yeah. We loved it. Like we thought, oh, here we go.
I thought that too.
It was not. Like, it was empty.
Wow.
It was just everywhere we went, or like we took a drive over to Russell.
No one there.
No. The beaches were free. We went up to Tāpeka Point.
Oh, wow.
No one.
Wow.
It was great. We went to the Copthorne. The only others that were at the Copthorne were Ropu of Wahine. Also at the end of their Hauora journey.
Oh,
Hine
cool.
Shout out to all the Hine twos. And they're from north of, like the far north.
Oh, wow.
So that was cool, like sharing the hotel with other Northlanders.
Yes, and people doing it for the same kaupapa.
Yeah. Atuitira, horeka ngā tākata. Pairawa.
Well, funny you say that, because I had my weekend in Tamaki and flew down on the plane, got to the airport. The airport is Pakaramatanga.
Nervous?
I was like, a little bit. I was just like, hold my breath. And go. But then you get into the city and you're thinking it's the weekend before Christmas for Auckland. You think it'd be pumping with people. There's people, but it's not busy. It was. No. I went into Commercial Bay thinking it'd be packed.
Yeah.
Not
people
many people.
Just, they must be still a little bit mai e noho nei te kāinga.
Well, that, and also someone in Auckland said, well, it's their first weekend out of Auckland, so they're all before Christmas, so they're all like, we're out, we're going. And you could feel it, there was minimal people.
Yeah, well, you know, going to one of the, I don't know, popular tourist spots here in Te Taitokino, Bay of Islands, you'd think they're out, but I think they've just gone out to go home.
Yeah, that's a good point, actually.
Which is cool for us.
Yeah, exactly. I had a great time too. Gosh, we were pumping. I mean, it felt like I never left though. When you get to Auckland, you're like, oh, it's so good to be back. You're like, no, actually, does it feel like I even left? Oh, God. There's that place. There's those people.
You know, like you did, I totally recommend weekends away.
Yes.
A chance for you to reset, recharge.
Yes.
With your meteors.
I agree.
Just relax. Yeah, so it was nice. Seaside view.
Yours looked bougie, I tell you.
It was very nice.
By the water.
Hey, if you want to be somebody, if you want to go somewhere, you better wake up and pay attention. Wanna be somebody. If you want to go somewhere, you better wake up and pay attention. Okay, so the funny thing is, Saturday night, went out for dinner, lovely.
Great.
Then we
Charlotte's Kitchen?
Charlotte's Kitchen.
Oh,
The bao buns. Oh, can we go back for the bao buns?
Can we just go there now?
Oh, good pork belly with some slaw.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, after we went to karaoke.
Of course you did.
And this little bar, and it was great. And then the Henna 2 girls turned up. They had like 2 van loads.
Oh, cool.
And what the weird part was, because you got to scan in now.
Oh, yes.
So some didn't make it in.
Oh,
that's fine.
From the Urupu, or just from anybody?
Just from anybody.
Oh, right.
Like, they're just like, sorry, and we're like,
awkward.
Yeah, so that was weird.
Sit outside.
But then the owner was like, because the girls, they're having a good night. Everybody's
That's
dancing.
so cool.
We're not. We're just people watching. I like people.
Yeah,
watching.
I do too. Because we like to judge.
No. But they're dancing, and then over the mic, kawa e kani, no dancing allowed.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because apparently if you dance, COVID.
Oh, for goodness sake.
But if you stand, if you stand, you're fine. That was weird.
Is that an actual rule? Or is that just their rule?
I think it was a little bit of both.
Kawa e kani. Yeah,
they're like, no, not allowed kani. And I was like, well, why'd you let the girl sing I Want to Dance with Somebody? Like, come on. If it's kawa e kani, like, take out all of those ones.
It doesn't make any sense.
So, yeah, that was weird. You could stand there and be in, like, close proximity. But as soon as you started moving, kawa
even if you're sitting at your table dancing, you can no longer dance?
Oh, you can sit at your table.
That's weird.
Like a good old, mama and a cookology.
Well, I was in the epicenter of COVID, in Tamakima COVID.
It's a kani?
Kani mai! We are. And we're not just talking like a one-person dance, we're talking like group tana!
He hanuiti!
He hanuiti! Ko hau te miti o te hanuiti! It was, yeah, so I'm like, maybe I don't understand that rule.
I was like, they're like, why? And I was like, it's COVID. As soon as you dance. Nah.
That's hilarious.
But, where do those things come from?
Yeah, you can't dance.
So sometimes I'm like,
You stick to
whakara mo koe ki ngā ture o te kāwana, pai ana. Engari, ētahi ture, I'm like, no, really? And then I'm like, is it the kāwana? Or do you just like having summerphony?
Yeah.
A little bit, yeah. Look, we've got Mons. That owner was a clown to us last week.
Oh, did they go the same place?
Let's not make this what do you call it? A complaint station.
Yeah. We're all about positivity. Yeah. Oh, look. Well, I mean, I'm just dance.
Wow. Yeah, that was just weird. That you could stand there, but you can't dance.
Yeah.
And i te mea, i te hara mai te moni ki roto I taua whare.
I bet.
Yeah.
Woo! Make it rain.
But koe ra te take e ahua drag queen ana take voice e te Push the two fagu.
Hey, Marcia. Marcia girl.
My name's Mai.
But great weekend.
Maruataka this morning.
Oh, yes. Well, speaking of which, I'll just get into the...
Did you see the moon last night?
Oh, girl, I was out early.
Oh, girl.
I didn't even see
you
it.
You had actually flown in and seen it.
Oh,
we just once in a lifetime look up, Luke.
It was bright when I flew home last night. I flew back, everybody.
Hey, there's so much going on. We're going to talk about it all. Morena kia tonu mai. Morena to everybody online, everybody on air.
Yes, we've got lots today because it's coming up to the end of our 12 Days of Christmas! And again, once again, today, we're giving away another fantastic prize. Oh, there it is. Oh, I love it! It's the most wonderful time of the year. Why, Luke? Because you have the opportunity to take away some fantastic prizes.
I love that prize.
We've got heaps left. We've still got a $100 Pack and Save voucher.
Yes,
We've got a key $100 voucher. Birdman merchandise, Heartier merchandise, Common Ground Fitness membership. We've got...
That's right.
We've got
what have we? We've got so much.
We've actually got heaps. We've got the biggest one of all. We've got crew dinner with Marcia, myself, and Phoenix, and Generator herself on the 21st of January. We're booking that in.
All thanks to
Fat Boy Barbecue!
Yes.
You're the fatty boy!
Every time you say that, you have to say it like that.
We've got barbecue with the Fat Boy Barbecue! You're the fatty boy!
Hey, it's turning into Fit Boy Barbecue these days.
I know. He's looking
Very
fit,
true.
Bo.
Maybe if we eat the barbecues, we also become
that'd be
fit.
good.
Yeah.
So if you win that prize today, or coming up, that is booked in for Friday the 21st of January. So we all fund the holiday period and back again. But that's up for it's 4 of your friends, you and 4 friends, and 4 of us, courtesy of Fat Boy Barbecue. You're the fatty boy.
Awesome. That is cool. And if you just entered in the draw on our Instagram and on our Facebook, we see you. We've entered your entries.
You're in there already.
So hour 2 of the show, we'll be drawing our winner. We have to draw a winner every day of this week. And all of the prizes have to go this week.
That's right. This week. Now, just a little clarification. If you win and you get it, just taiho. You may not get it. May not get it sent to you this week, but you will receive it within the next few weeks.
Everybody in Aotearoa is sending everything.
We've tried to send something away, and the courier has actually said to us it's going to be at least till two weeks. So we're like, what? So you will be receiving your gift. It's all here.
Look,
just don't come at us.
I've got new eyebrows online.
Let's see what the Ngatuhu Huarere. I get that right? Oh, you must. Well, look at you.
Pechitanga.
Yeah,
the sun coming through the windows. Fix the sun, like.
Fix the sun. Well, I can tell you about the sun today. Here we go. It is currently 13.8 degrees, and it should feel like 4 degrees here in. And in Tamaki Makaurau, it is also 14 degrees. It's a high of 26 degrees and 27 degrees here in Northland and Auckland. That's a hot tanga day. That means it's about 28, 29.
Yeah, but it didn't start very hot.
I was cold this morning. There's a reason why I'm wearing my jersey over the top of my t-shirt, because we have got nipple tucker. It is cold in the studio this morning. Humidity today is 92%, so it's a moist day. And sunset tonight is at 8:39 p.m, so it's a beautiful, nice, sunny evening. Mainly fine, chance of evening shower, light winds, and an afternoon sea breeze.
Sounds great. Ki ngā tai o whāngarei, high tide will be at 9:45 this morning, and low tide 20 to 4 this afternoon. And then high tide again. So on your sunset, a nice high tide.
Oh, that's even better.
Tide will be still coming in, but it'll be nice and high.
20 to 9 is the sunset. So that's a late night. It's a early, beautiful night.
Tika. And well, you know who creates the times?
Your matey. Your matey.
My matey.
My matey.
Why talking matey?
Hina? How's she doing?
She's doing good, girl.
Okay, because she was busting her mare last night.
Ite whiti marikata. Ahina. Atamanutera. Ahina.
You're going to get your even sexy voice on?
Yes, I'll try. I think we're going for a drag queen voice today.
Okay, here we
go. Wait, I've just got to find Hina. Look, Hina sent me an email somewhere. Hina girl.
Hina girl. Hina girl.
Hey, speaking of Hina girl, at the karaoke bar we saw Hini Hotarini.
Chat.
Stunning.
Hey, look, and if you are travelling these holidays and you're going to the Tamaki Makaurau, do it. That town, even though it's our biggest city in the country, they definitely need some aroha.
We saw some Tamaki Makaurauans.
Oh, cool.
Ki te peo whairangi, and they made a good point. They're like, hey, yes, we're here, and it's nerve-wracking, but because they're the biggest sort of case in Aotearoa, they're the safest, they feel.
Oh.
They're like, we came here and hardly, people wearing masks here and there, and maybe not. She's like, us in Auckland, boom, slap, slap.
Yeah.
All prepared.
Absolutely they are.
They're all they feel like they're the safest.
Yeah, and I noticed that majority of the shops at Commercial Bay and all that have all got their own security on the door, as opposed to just one security walking around. They're like, no, sorry, scan in, because you'll pass, no, out. I'm like, wowzers! Just come to buy a bar of soap. No, the soap's got COVID.
Oh my God.
Get out! Okay, sorry, Bob. Anyway, I'll put Marcia, voice button. Okay, here we go, everybody.
Oh, you've got to be that voice.
No, you do it.
Okay. Come on down.
Come on down.
You gotta come on down to the Marmatucky Lounge.
I can't watch because it makes me laugh. Okay. Come on down.
Come on down to the Marmatucky Lounge. Yeah, with your host, Mike, aka Marcia. Today's Marmatucky for today is brought to you by the letter R for Roxy. Ko te marumama o te rangine. Ko rākau nui. And you know what they say about rākau nui? He nui. Ti rākau. Don't launch off too far. Keep your feet on the ground. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Marcia.
Hilda.
Little R for Roxy.
Ke manoa nui mai.
Keep your feet on the ground.
Drag queen.
Rākau nui.
Ai, mohi ana koe ki tērā marama.
I certainly
don't launch off too far.
Oh.
Keep your feet on the ground.
Keep your feet on the ground.
That sounds like someone's pulling me down.
Yeah.
Okay, Hina.
Okay, Hina.
All
right, dear.
I suppose you know something. We
haven't played a song
yet.
Oh, God.
Hey, come on. Kia ora tātou ki te mita o te rohe next. E ara e mana. Auntie FM. Woo!
Oh, tune!
Auntie Mariah. Auntie FM.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking on the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy with the toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know.
he mea tautoko na te manga.
Iwa te kauma, iwa iro ono ki whanga rei. It is Ngāti Hine FM.
Tika tau e ruka. E whakaroko mai ana koutou ki tēnei e rua o te toru tāngata. I roto i tēnei ohua ki ana ko e arei mara.
Ai.
Kei konei tainoa ki te iwa karaka. E nā, ko tai mai koutou.
I tēnei wā,
ai,
tēnei ko.
Hey. 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 Hey.
Got it?
I don't want a chance for us to wake up.
Wake up, the roro, me te nono, and I tell you what, the nono is woke.
Oh, wow. Look, don't tell me. Don't tell me what.
No, like, we're up today.
Okay. Kia ora. And today's game is brought to you by the letter nothing. L for Luke.
Oh, kia ora.
Luke's suggestion.
Oh.
Articulate catchphrases.
Articulate, that's right.
Random
now,
word generator describing game.
I've been told by Marcia to put mine on hard, so I have, and this is hard. Okay.
Right, mai with that.
Okay, well, ko tēnei mea tino whakahira.
I love the start you give.
He mea nui, he mea iti rānei. He
well,
ko ngā mea I runga I te rangi.
He kapua.
Ai.
Oh, kia ora. Okay, ko ēnei mea he mea tino whakahira. Mo te hauhake, mo te tipu, mo te kai, mo te oranga o te tangata.
Rake.
Ka hore. Mahi mara.
Yes.
Ngā hua o te mahi mara.
Gardening. But
yes.
what is
Engari
it?
ngā hua. Ngā mea, ngā taonga ka whiwhi koe mai te
okay.
mahi mara.
Kumara.
Ai, he aha tērā kupu. Kumara riwai.
Kai.
Āhua.
Oh, God.
He kupu anō mo te kai. Mō ngā hua.
For the fruit or the vegetable.
Hei, kohi I ngā...
Kutai.
I ngā hua, I ngā kai, I ngā...
Mō ngā tangata katoa.
No, so
I know what you're saying, but...
It's either riwai, it is riwai kumara, it's the hua, it's the product, it's the... Go collect all the... From the garden.
Go collect
Kakano pai au ki tērā...
kakano.
Ka hore ko te kakano, engari pai tērā
I know what you're saying, but I can't think of the word.
Pai ērā guesses. Ngā,
I know what you're saying, I just can't think. Kaore au I te mohio.
Mohio na koe. Ka tīmata I te pū si.
Oh.
Pū is letter.
I know.
But when I talk English and Māori, get over yourself, mate. Jingos. Hua rake. He fruit tira. He hua. It's a product.
Yes.
So go collect all the...
Products! Go collect all the...
From the... Not products from the garden. What do you call those things?
Vegetables.
Yeah, but like...
Go and collect the...
It's a more inclusive word.
Oh, I know it's going to be easy when I get it.
Kareti, pokena, kumara, they're all... It's a C word.
Oh. It's a C word. Crops! Crops! Oh, go and get the crops. I forget that I go and say, I'm going to go get the crops from the supermarket.
Yeah, but I said, whakarohia I te me ngā kupu o te marakai.
Right.
Gardening terminology.
Crops.
Gosh.
Oh, we've got someone currently is going into the draw. Cal's Bickers is she's entering quite a lot right now.
Into the
or he is or she is.
Wow.
Into the crop.
It's in the
12 days.
Can't hear you. Over and out.
Oh, Marcia.
Yeah,
okay.
you go.
Oh, ko tēnei mea tino nui, tino whakahira haki, I kake mai tēnei mea I te rangi, engari ko ia...
I kake mai tēnei mea I te rangi.
Ko tēnei mea.
Jesus. Tāne mahuta.
Ko tēnei mea he kararehe.
He manu.
Ai!
You are so not got it on hard. How do we have to change it?
Oh, my next one's hard. This is hard.
Okay.
Okay. You'll love my
Tēnei
next one.
kupu.
Oh, he kupu.
Okay. Kei konei he kuaha.
Ai.
Ko tō mahi, te hikoi,
Oh, here we go.
te hikoi ki tēnā taha o te rima. Ne?
Yes.
Hua ki nā te kuaha,
Uh-huh.
hikoi ki tēnā taha.
Yes.
So you are going
Out. Through.
kia ora.
Oh, my
I was like, are we going to take ages?
Through. Oh, God. Oh, she's still going on cows or he. Is it a he or she? I don't know.
It's a she.
Um,
And Sarah K, thank you for all the guesses. She's got karate, capsicum, manu, crops. Whakawhiti, kia ora.
Whakawhiti, that's right. There we go. Okay. Oh, okay, Marcia, this is a hard one. You'd be proud of me for this.
You better put on hard. You're not. You're
Yes.
lying.
Ko te mea
Nui. Whakahira.
ko tēnei mea nui, ko tēnei mea whakahirahira i te wā o te rā aroha i te...
Valentine's Day.
Ai, hea engari.
Hot chocolate.
Kao, kaore.
Wedding proposal.
No, ko enei mea tino...
Single.
Woo! Tino,
Oh!
tino what? Tino...
Party poppers.
No.
Fireworks.
Oh, no. Well, te āhuatanga tino... Oh!
Mahi. Ai.
He mea... he mea...
Mahi.
He mea maha? Is that a word? Maha? Lots? No. Mea...
Yeah, maha.
Maha...
Chakariti.
There's lots of them
Rose
that
petals.
grow in the ground.
On Valentine's Day.
Yes.
Roses.
Oh, clothes.
Flowers.
Who's this? Oh, flowers. Yes. Well done. Sorry, that was hard.
Flowers. You went to Valentine's Day. Such a romantic. Okay, 2 more each. Okay, tēnei he kupu.
2 more.
Kei aho, okay, e haere ana taua ki te kai.
Ai.
Engari, kei hea taua, kei hea te kai, kei hea te whare kai. Me tīpako hea ai taua i tētahi wāhi hei kai mā taua, mā taua.
Okay.
Nō reira, ho mai he
Menu.
ahua. Engari, before we get to the menu,
Oh.
ho mai he wāhi. Ho mai he mā māua ki te whiri.
Ho mai he drinks.
Ooh. Me haere taua ki hea.
The key.
Ko tahi, tērā, kei ahau te tahi anō. Anei, a McDonald's, anei te key. E rua ngā wāhi, he pai tō whakaro. He pai tō whakaro, he pai hoki taki whakaro. Hea ha te kupu mo e nei whakaro.
I don't know. Sausage. He saw.
He
Susa.
ko taku whakaro me haere maua ki Mikitanara. Ko tō whakaro me haere ki te ki.
Okay.
E rua ngā whakaro nei.
Yes.
Hea te kupu mo e nei whakaro.
It starts with the S. See,
Ai,
it's S.
yes.
The whakaro is his solution.
Ahua,
His solution.
e rua ngā
Situation.
Oh, mai tōne he kupu anō.
Oh, he ruined.
Kia ora, Sarah K.
Oh, she got it.
Yeah, she did.
Okay.
Nā te mea kei te whakarongo ia. Kia ki kōrero.
I am listening, but this is hard. He ruined
5,
sausage.
3.
Sausage? Why have I got sausage on my mind? He ruined a solution.
Suggestions,
Not
not sausages. Suggestions. Thank you, Sarah K. Last one to you, Luke.
Okay, here we go.
Sausage.
Close. Ko tēnei mea kararehe. He nui. He nui.
E poaka.
Kyle, he nui
E
tēnei.
boa.
Kyle, e whānga waiwai?
He hoiho.
Ai! Oh, look, it said easy. I must have
you're a cheater. Koina te mutunga mai
That
o
was
tēnā
fun.
waihaga e aremara. Fun for you.
Yeah. Sarah
I'm
Kay.
loving these answers,
Thank you.
Sarah Kay. Kia
Thank you,
ora.
Sarah Kay.
Donna's back. Morning, a beautiful day here in Kahungunu. Love listening and watching you fellas. Have a great day. I'm off to Mahi.
Oh, thank you.
Very good.
Don't turn us off going to Mahi. Keep us on.
That's right.
Show everybody at Mahi.
She's off to Mahi because if you want to be somebody, if you want to go somewhere, you better wake up and pay attention.
If you want to be somebody, if you want to go somewhere, you better wake up and pay attention. That's right.
Sorry,
And speaking of which, no, that's right, because that's the whole thing. I was talking about this actually on the plane yesterday. How, we were like, Lincoln, that's Lincoln, the Dr. Lincoln?
Yes.
That we interviewed for,
Okay.
yeah, he was on in the Kuru Lounge last night, and we're talking away about this kind of thing. But also, I was going, you know what, this is interesting. Here we are, doing our thing, and we're all doing our own thing in different parts of the country. Because you want to be somebody. And you just cut me off.
Because I want to be somebody.
I want to go somewhere.
Very shortly, we're going to be checking out topical news.
Yes.
What were you talking to Steve?
On my nipples.
Big shout out to all our listeners on air and online. We're here till 9, and here's Chris Brown with a go-to Christmas song. It's Christmas. It's got to hear FM.
This Christmas, the fireside is blazing bright. Whoa, we're caroling through the night. Whoa, this Christmas will be a very special Christmas from me. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go. Presents and cards are here. My world is filled with cheer, and you. This Christmas, and as I look around, your eyes are shining down to. This Christmas, the fireside is blazing bright, and we're caroling through the night. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Whoa. Oh, shake a hand now. No, 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 no. Blazing bright, we're caroling through the night, and this Christmas will be so special for you and me. Yes, it will be. Whoa, whoa. Shake a hand, y'all. Come on, everybody shake a hand, y'all. Family, hey, we'll be together to make this Christmas right. Yes, we will.
Ngā marae o te kāinga, a place I like to call home.
Maungaroa.
Another one of our marae from the sub-tribes of Te Parawhau, Te Ururoroi and Te Māohurehure
It was named Maungarongo because of all the disturbances in the area. When Kawati heard of this news and all the anger in the area, he set out to be the peacemaker and bring peace to that area, the peace from Waihomio to Poroti. Once again, hence the naming of the whare tupuna, Maungarongo.
Maungarongo.
Ngā marae o Te Kāinga, a place I like to call home.
Need my mask and my phone. Wait, there's my phone. It's in my hand. Heading out? Remember, mask, scan, pass. You're good to go. Unite against COVID-19.
Under the COVID-19 traffic light system, some workplaces and roles will require vaccination. To help employers and employees work together to make this happen, there's also been some updates to employment law. For example, employers should provide employees with reasonable time off so they can get vaccinated to help keep everyone safe. For more information and other updates on vaccination and the workplace, please visit employment.govt.nz. That's employment.govt.nz.
If I get hurt, who's going to help Uncle bait his hooks? Who's going to teach the kids next door to surf? Who's going to score all the tries at the touch tournament? Who's going to feed me my tea? Have a and ask yourself, if you get hurt, who gets harmed? Find out more at acc.co.nz.
Nau mai haere mai ki te whare haura o ngā tihine. Kia wero a koe ki te rongoa ārai ma te kowhiori, tuatahi, tuarua, tuatoru rānei.
Ka puare ngā kuaha o te whare o torongare mai i te iwa ki te whā, mane ki te praere.
Me he mea he āwanga e pātai rānei au, haere ki www.nhht.co.nz.
Waia mai ki kore waru kore kore, rua whetū rua, whā waru, whā rua.
The rhythm of the rohe. Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whāngarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tūatu I hikurangi morena e te iwi e ara e maro! That's right.
Hey, for today. Come on down. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our Kūroko Te Wā topical news, and we're crossing live right now. Luke,
we're crossing
out
live
on the streets. How's it going out there?
Yeah, good morning to you, Marcia. It's Luke Bird here in Te Whanga o Reipai, kohi ngā kūtai. Yes, that's right. It's topical news, everybody. Now, this is the part where I actually quite enjoy this part. You get to find out
enjoy all the news that you bring.
What's happening around the world. And I thought, well, let's have a little tito ki te ao. And on the weekend, a man who's been working for his ice cream truck for more than 40 years, he passed away.
Mr. Whippy.
Well, no, what's his name? Mr. His name is Hassan Dervish, and he had an ice cream truck for 40 years.
Oh, get it.
But the thing was, it wasn't publicized that the ice cream man had died, and it was got out through the grapevine that this particular ice cream truck, the man who owned it, died, and people from childhood knew about it. So anyway, as they were coming down the funeral procession, 100 ice cream trucks of different brands turned up for his funeral, and instead of just turning up and following the procession of the hearse, they come on all their trucks and turned on all their different jingles.
What is the jingle?
So could you imagine 100 different ice cream truck jingles, like Mr. Whippy jingles?
It'll just be like, oh my gosh, that toy that's run out of batteries. Can you remember the Mr. Whippy?
Oh gosh, it's when you say that, it's hard.
It is hard.
Oh, anyway, some person called it on Twitter. I can't play it, obviously, but there's a picture of it.
Yes.
And there's a picture of the start of the procession. But there ended up being 100 different ice cream trucks all coming out to pay tribute to the man who, in southeast London, would have his ice cream truck for 40 years.
Wow, I wonder if after the
cool.
burial they all went for hackety of ice cream.
That'd be cool. But yes, I think that's kind of cool. Surely there's an ice cream sundae.
Yeah. Like, surely, okay, there's 100 of us. Let's go park up at...
And you know what? This created so much
so
much wow that people were, Instagramming and Twittering it, that they would have made big sales that day. Like, just there's 100 different ice creams you could choose from, right on your doorstep.
Wowza.
But playing, you'd be quite annoyed though. You go, should you just shut up?
Yeah, hey, like just give just one of them, thank you.
100 different tunes.
You know what? I want an ice cream truck for us.
Yes.
Mainly, it doesn't matter if it's got ice cream in it, just the truck that has an ability to have a speaker outside the truck.
That'd be quite cool, actually. I'm just going to find the Mr.
Yeah, we could do a live radio station on wheels.
I must have found it, I think.
Okay, great idea, Marcia. Awesome.
Could you imagine 100 different of those?
That's actually quite fast, eh?
That's the Mr. Perfect song. It's actually quite dramatic.
I know. It always came up our street and left. Now, randomly you'd get, you'd actually have change in the house.
Mr. Whoopi never used to stop on our road because it's a main road, but he would come down the back and go to the holiday park.
Yes.
And so we used to, as kids, jump across the fence.
Yeah, what would you go to?
Oh, we were only allowed just a single, just a ice cream with a dip, and that was it.
Oh, yeah, single dip?
Single dip. Yeah, get back home.
Yes. I quite like the single dip flaked.
Yes. Oh, you were lucky if you got a flake. Yeah. That's right.
But I think now I just like the single dip in a cup.
There's something about that ice cream. It's like fluffy.
Oh, the ice cream is the best.
It's like you're eating air.
Yeah. Can I just say to Burger King, you guys need to go back and think about your consistency or something, eh? Something's out of whack.
Oh.
Not that I've been there in a few years, because no one goes to Burger King for ice cream, or do they?
I don't. Anyway, that's my topical news. The Mr. Ice Cream Man, after 40 years of service to his ice cream truck, he passed away on the weekend in southeast London, but he had a funeral procession of over 100 different ice cream trucks playing over 100 different ice cream jingles.
Oh, kia ora. Mine is just mihi anaki te whānau Tipene of Tipene Funerals.
Oh, yes.
You might know them.
I saw that.
Or follow them on social media.
And they're lovely.
Francis, Mr. Tipene, is Mawiwi, but it was out on the Women's Day, Women's Weekly. They caught up with his wife, Kaiora, and she spoke about how Francis had a sore puku, like so sore, still didn't want to go to the hospital. That typical, like, no, I'll be fine. Ended up bursting his appendix. Had to do we call it operation. Sweet. Operation done on the mend. Got charged, checked himself out a day later, because I'm fine. And then didn't listen to the takuta, took his own whatever bag off because I feel fine. Anyway, went downhill again. Tata mate. And so Kaiora speaks about the journey that she's been on for the last couple months, up and down, and her tamariki, 5 boys, as well as him, and he doesn't like hospitals, all that kind of stuff, but oh my goody this read is a great read, and so mihi ana ki a koe Kaiora, o tina ki a koe Tipene, a Francis Tipene, me te whānau o Tipene Funerals.
Yes.
Te mātanga o wera mahi, but wow, it's a roller coaster of events.
Yeah,
and you can go check it out at Women's Weekly, or the New Zealand Herald.co.nz. They've got all the whole story on there, but it just shows he's just like
terrible. Gotta listen.
Didn't listen, and she says that, and he nearly killed himself.
Oh, so you gotta listen to the doctors.
Yeah, so he knows now. And so happy that he's on the mend.
Yes.
And
he's looking good too.
He's looking great.
Gosh.
And they said, don't worry, season 5 will be out soon.
Oh,
the Casketeers. And season 6 is also being confirmed.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
It's like one of my favourite programs.
It's very fun, actually.
Yes, tika tira. Listen to the health professionals.
Yes, not the YouTube one. Or the
Yeah, or
Facebook
like
one.
he just thought he was fine. Ka hore.
No.
In the words of my moko moko taira. Ka hore.
Ka hore, kakarina.
Tika. Kaya ako lang.
Kakarina!
All right, that's your topical news. More coming your way. Also, next hour,
we're giving away 12 days of Christmas! Got to be in to win. You can still got time to put your entries in for the next round.
Oh, tika. Here we are, all still to come with the music lineup. We've got heaps. Engari tota hei neira a Comic Kings. It's Gati FM.
Woo! Oh, chat. Okay. Oh, yeah, man.
It's how to get to taha moana. Wait in the water.
In the water. If a girl I like to fill up on in the water, really wanna rock a boat like a hurricane in perfect storm, Lord. Ask her where she on the way to. Said holla Eva. Say she love the North Shore, bikini top, black Scots and their board shorts. Paddle out, paddle out. Cannot wait in your water, cannot wait in your water, cannot wait in your water till I get away. Lord, cannot wait in your water, cannot wait in your water, cannot wait in your water till I get away. Like the sun, I can feel a warmth, yeah. Heat waves through the winter months, oh. Type of love never expire. Burn slow like a bonfire. Asked her where she on her way to. She said, like, yeah. Say she love the North Shore, bikini top, black Scots and their board shorts. Paddle out. Cannot wait in your water, cannot wait in your water, cannot wait in your water till I get away. Lord, cannot wait in your water, cannot wait in your water, cannot wait in your water till I get away. When the sun sets and the float away, I will stay the night just to get you away. Wait in your water, cannot wait in your water, cannot wait in your water till I get away. Lord, cannot wait in your water, cannot wait in your water, cannot wait in your water till I get away. Go deeper into nature's arms, cascade like my nail falls. Oh, pipeline through her open sea. I'm in love with her currently, yeah. Ask her where she on her way to. She said, well, Mayor. Say she love the North Shore, bikini top, black Scots and their board shorts. Paddle out, paddle out.
Kia hiwara, e whaia ke nei ko ngā pito pito kōrero.
E ngā iwi o te motu tēnā koutou katoa, Scotty Morrison tēnei me ngā upoko kōrero o te wā nā te pūtea tautoko a te māngai pāho. E whai ake nei e tiwi aha koa koe ke nei tātou ki ngā marama o rehua whakaruhi tāngata, ka haere tonu ngā mahi pūwero i tiwi Māori ki te kanawārai ko Fiori. Ana koe tahi o ngā takiwa o te motu e tūtakarere wā ana kei horapa te mate ko Fiori ki wainganui a rātou i tēnei raumati me ngā hā kinikina e whai ake nei. Ahakoa koe ke tātou ki ngā marama o rehua whakaruhi tāngata, hei tā tūnui a Rangi McLean o te marae o Manurewa, kei te haere tonu tā rātou mahi pūwero i te iwi Māori ki te kanoārai ko Fiori.
Te kaupapa nui mo mātau, a muri o te karakia, me te mihi whakatau ki ngā kaimahi, tahirau o ngā kaimahi o te whānau Waipereira, ka tīmata ai mātau te wero ko fiore tuataru. E kia nei ko te puisita shop.
Hei tā mina pōmare o te tai tokerau ko tōna rohe hoki tētahi e tūtakarere wā ana kei horapa kei mā hora te kōwhiori ki Wainganui a rātou I tēnei raumati.
Ka karanga hui mātou, kiwa tātou nei uri, kiwa tātou nei kāinga kia hui tahi, kia whakaputa wa rātou whakaro, me pēhea, ka haka mahere tātou I te tahi rautaki, kia tiaki pai, tiaki I te hapori, kia kaua tō tātou nei iwi, tō tātou nei whānau I mate I tēnei mate kōwhiori.
Tō ngā wiki tata nei, tō hua ai e te ropu nā hinara, Christopher Luxon, tā huhu rangapu o mua o Araraurangi Aotearoa, hei kai arahi mō rātou I roto I ngā tau kei mua I te arawaro, hei tā tū whakairiora Williams, te tahi o ngā mema tau tohito o te ropu nā hinara, ko te mea nui kia whakatinana, kia whakatutuki a Christopher Luxon I ngā kaupapa e hangai pūana ki te Māori.
E ha te tirohanga whānui mō tērā kaupapa. Wena te ana ko te tahi atu kōrero, ko te kōrero e pā mai ana ki te triti o Waitangi. Nā I te hui ātau kua hi pātu I te maramo a kuata, ana ka whakai a te ropu nā hinara kia uru atu te triti o Waitangi ki roto I te kawenata o te ropu nā hinara.
Hei tā ngā pirihimana kei te piki haere te kino o ngā mahi whakarekereke I roto I tēnei whenua I nā koara te whakamahinga o te pū ara kua hualua ake te whakamahinga o te pū I te ngahuru taunei. E toru ngā pirihimana I taotu I te pupuhitanga o rātou I Glen Eden I ngā wiki nei ko tētahi atu I tukia e tētahi nana kia ki te waka nōna e whakatakoto taratara ana ki te huarahi. Hei tā tētahi o ngā kai kaunihera o tāmaki a Fesso Collins nā te roa hoki o te noho rāhui whakamoho au I roto o tāmaki makaurau I tēnei tau, ko piki ake ngā mahi tūkino I roto I ngā whānau. Kei tā te whakatewhatewhangia te pupuhitanga I Glen Eden, ko whakamohio tia atu te mana whanonga prihimana me haumaru mahi Aotearoa ki tēnei whakatewhatewhatanga nei. Nō re tiwi koe rangatai pito kōrero matua o te haora e whai ake nei e tiwi ko ngā hākinekina.
I mohio koe nui ake I te 2,000 tāngata Māori e whakarongo mai ana, whakapātu ki taua reanga I nā ia tonu nei. Ka tāia e Māori Media Network te whakahaere tō tika tō pānuitanga hoko huri noa I te motu nei. Mo e tehi kōrero anō e pāna ki tēnei kaupapa, tupuhi mera mai kia mātua Māori Media Network. info@maorimedia.co.nz Taua I mera anō info@maorimedia.co.nz
E hia toa hā kinekina ko ahu mai I te rohe o te tai tokerau, nā ko nā hoki te whakaaro o hā kinekina tai tokerau kia tauawhi ngā mātā pono me ngā tikanga Māori ki roto I tā rātou rautaki ahu whakamua. Kia hua ake ai he ara, hei takahi mā ngā toa hā kinekina Māori o a popo. Hei tā Trina Henare o hā kinekina te tai tokerau I ngā wā o mua kāore te Māori I whai wāhi ki te tēpū I hā kinekina tai tokerau. Engari I naenei he Māori te haurua kei taua tēpū. Nā, mo te wā tuatahi I ngā tau toru te kau mārua, kā re te whakataetai wakaama o te motu e tū. Hei tā ngā kai whakahaere nā te āhua ki te mate kōwhiori e tika ana kia whakakorengia te whakataetai. Hei tā te tāhuhu rangapū o wakaama Aotearoa a Lara Collins, ko te mea nui ke kia tāwharau kia tiaki I te hauara o te marea. I nā kuara ngā tamariki kāri te whai wāhi ki te kano ārai I tēnei wā. Ko te whakaro rā ia kia whakahaere hui a ipurangi hei whakakapi ake I te wāhi ki te whakataetai te maramataka o te tau. Ka kōrero ngā mātanga wakaama mō o rātou wheako, ka tuari hoki I o rātou mātauranga. Nā kua poro te Melbourne Storm I ngā here ki te Waitikape Māori nei kia Brandon Smith, I te riri te Storm kia Smith I te āhua o tōna whanonga I te wā e whiriwhiri hia tonu tia ana tāna kirimana hou kia rātou. No reira nā tēnei riri, hei aha atu mā te Storm, te waitohutanga o Smith mo te tau 2022 mā tō. No reira ka wātea a Smith a te mutunga o te tau 2022 mā rua ki te kōrero ki e tahi atu krapu. Engari ko te kōrero rā ia I tēnei wā nei, ka hono ia ki te kapa Sydney City Roosters a te mutunga o te tau 2022 mā rua. Hoi no rei te iwi a koera ngā hā kinekina o te wā kia ora tātou.
Nā no reire te motu, mā wāta, mā te reo, te whakamārama.
He mea tautoko
nā te māngai.
Hei pāho.
the rhythm of the rohe.
Are you having a fundraiser, meeting, or community event? Let us know. Email onair@ngatihinefm.co.nz or message us on Facebook. Proudly supporting your community, Ngati Hine FM.
If I get hurt, who's going to walk the dog? Who's going to take Gran to her appointment? Who's going to take the tamariki to karate training? Who's going to organise the potluck dinner at school? Who's going to give me a bath?
Have a and ask yourself, if you get hurt, who gets harmed? Find out more at acc.co.nz.
Me whakapapa te ora, hoki ki te tūā papa, connecting to practices that nurture well-being. Make sure you use the NZ COVID Tracer app. Signing in keeps a record of where you've been, helping keep you and others safe. The Tracer app keeps us a step ahead of the virus. The more we scan, the safer we'll be. This is just one way to protect ourselves from COVID-19. Kia pūmau te ora, to maintain well-being.
Te tino whakamuri kia anga whakamua. Learning from the events of the past for the oranga o te taitoke rau.
Yeah, so no, my thing, I would nurture my mokos all the way in every which way I could. If that means having these things, of course, I will. Because that's where my future is their future.
Te tino whakamuri kia anga whakamua. Visit angawhakamua.co.nz to learn more.
Get your first, second or booster shot with Ngati Hine Health Trust.
Our Torongare Vaccination Centre is open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Friday.
Check out our website www.nhht.co.nz
or call us on 0800 272 4842 for more info. Yahoo!
Tau mārere here here I te riri. Ngati Hine FM.
Iwa te kaimai wei na ono ki whanganei nei, iwa te kaimai wei na tahi tuatu I hikurangi. Mōre nei te ui e ara e mara.
That's right. Morena, everybody. It is a Monday morning here at Ngati Hine FM.
Kia ora. And you've just come back to hour 2.
That's right.
E konei māua tairua ki te iwa kraka I te atanei. And Luke, you got the tea.
I got the tea from the tea girls this morning. Now, look, I grew up as a little boy in the rural area of Te Whanga o Reipai. However, I'm a city kind of guy. And I've just had a little bit of a life lesson on the difference between a male pig and a male horse and a female horse and a male cow and a female cow.
Okay.
I didn't know that there was a difference between a male pig and a girl pig. I thought they just called a pig.
What are they called? Piggy.
A boar is a male pig. I just thought that was a wild boar you find.
So did I.
Yes, thank you.
I thought it was like a wild, like...
A particular wild pig.
Like you've got a warthog, you've got a boar.
Yeah.
You've got a pig.
No, a man pig is a boar. So anyway, I just been giving the lowdown from the tea girls.
Radio.
And then a steer and a stallion and a mare and a freaking cow and a bull and I don't know now. A steer. A steer is a particular cow that's been balls chopped off. No, is that right? Or is it a girl? I don't know, but I was like, I just know that I go and buy my meat and we eat it.
You eat the horsey.
Then they said to me, well, what? Oh, no, steer, that's it. What is what's the name of a baby horse? And I'm like, isn't that pet food? Like, they're like, no, that's a rah-rah-rah. I'm like, oh, for goodness sake.
A baby horse, isn't that a pony?
You see? I'm like,
and do ponies grow up or are they forever a pony?
That's a really good question. Because a pony sounds like it's oh my god, hi. So what if you grow up and you're like, I'm a pony. I'm an 85-year-old pony.
Hey girl, is that your grandmother? Yeah, she's a pony.
Could you imagine if we were horses? Oh my god.
You'd be a pony.
Oh my god, I'm a pony. And then you've got a Clydesdale
A Clydesdale.
They're those ones who got the big feet and they trot like they're like a ooh, oh yeah, oh my god, oh hot lava, ooh ah, ooh ooh ah 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 ooh ooh. And they've got furry feet like the big.
Oh yes.
Yeah, and they're quite big, but they're like ooh get it, ooh ah, ooh,
yeah,
ooh. Clydesdale.
And then you've got a stallion.
Yeah, I'm a stallion. Oh my God. I don't know how that works. Anyway, that was the reverting kōrero we had in the Tea Girls, in the Tea of the Tea Girls.
E kōrero kararehe
Aye, every day they just have the karere.
The karere.
All the time.
Right, well, speaking of karere, how ngā karere o Ranginui?
That's a really good point, Marcia. That's a really good point. Hey, Marcia.
Hey.
That's a really good point.
Great point. Just an update on the weather.
Because the weather today is going to be a hot day. The weather outside is something, and something. Let us know. It won't snow in this country because it's
sale of bow repairs.
Why is it taking so long to... Anyway, it is a high of 20... Here we go.
There we go.
It is currently 15.7 degrees here in... And it's also 16 degrees in Tamaki Makovid, and it's currently should feel like it's here in Whangarei. It's a high of 26 degrees in both centres today, which means it's about 28 because it's hot and moist, and all the humidity's gone down. 85%.
So moist.
It's still a bit moist. And it is the sun setting today at 8:39 p.m, so it's a lovely evening out, and it's mainly fine. Chance of evening shower, light winds, and an afternoon sea breeze.
Kia ora, ki ngā tai o Whangarei, high tide will be at 9:45 this morning, low tide 20 to 4 this afternoon, high tide again at 10 o'clock.
Oh, that's a bit lush, isn't it?
Isn't it just?
I'll get my voice ready. And you ready for the... Did she send you the email, Hina?
Hina. Okay, pēnei ana maua.
Here we go.
She said, hey, Marcia, come on down to the Maruataka land, where you know what the Maruataka is for today. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Don't launch off too far. Keep your feet on the ground. This is my greatest attempt at sexy Maruataka. Thank you. Brought to you by
Here we go.
Yeah. See, your better voice. Mine's just like rusty drag queen.
That's okay, because you've been on the B-Wars, girl.
Oh, no, it's not. It's called singing too much.
That's okay. We had a great weekend.
No, actually, that's called yelling too much.
That's okay. It's holiday time.
Sorry,
it's the vibe of the holidays at the moment.
Drag queen.
Yeah, drag queens.
You know,
5, 6, 7, 8,
and 1. Okay, that's your Tohuhuarere update for now. Very shortly, we're going to get into...
Very shortly, we're about to give away and get into 12 Days of Christmas!
A huge, big shout out to these winners from the weekend who won People's Choice Award, as well as there's another award they won, 10 YouTube.
Oh, they won!
Yes, they did. 2 awards. Aotearoa Music Awards.
Amazing.
Very good.
Amazing!
So, here they are with one of my favourite songs. It's on YouTube with Paki Mati. Get up! Cunny cunny. Way to go, girls. Woo!
What Ahapatia, ahapatewa. Meki hemo mo piki nga iya kamata kite aka pareya ikari kanga mihi ika piki kara kata hime nga tisi napana nga mati wa panal nga maha te ho matua nakura kato kone te mana opera te paro ne kore na ki aka haete iuya ye Yamana wanui e toro ki ga i opera
FM. Another one of the winners from the Aotearoa Music Awards is LAB. Remember, you can go check them out. They've got a concert coming up the 22nd of Jan. Tamaki Makoto is at the air. It's Ngāti Hine FM.
With lying beneath the sheets.
strong. Tonight is the night I need.
Raumati. Hala mai. Safety.
Mainga. Whāmere hararei safety mea nei. I ngā hararei nohia. O te aha. Anyway, whether you're on hararei or holiday or not, there's heaps of mo, especially up here in Te Taitokero. You've heard it all before, no doubt. Be safe, don't do this, don't do that. Nō reira, mohia nā koutou what's good and what's not, guy or gal. Don't be the guy or gal who takes a 40 shower at your cousin's or your auntie's when you know they are on. You only need 2 minutes tops to clean all the necessary parts of your tinana, including a shampoo and conditioning. Aira e rua ngā miniti anake. Te wāpai mo te horo e tō tinana. Next minute, ko pauke te wai. So don't be that guy or gal that takes long ass showers when you're visiting whānau. Be te mene o te wau mene, and kaua e momo wai. Whāmere, hararei, safety, mea nei. You're welcome.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa o ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaima iwa ina tahi tuatu I hikurangi Ngāti Hine FM. How tāna kōrero whakamutunga?
You're welcome.
Me te mene.
Me te wau mene. Oh, girl.
Shout out to Madonna Gira.
That was, yes, thank you, Madonna, for that reverting way of washing the whole tinana.
Oh.
Yeah. Next minute, she says, next minute, ka pau te wai.
Kia ora. Well, next minute e te iwi ko tātata ki tēnei wāhanga.
E te yeah.
Call it. That's right, it's a kupu he wahanga a koe te reo Māori, using a kupu whakarite or a metaphor or simile.
That's right. It is that iti te kupu nui te kōrero.
Kōrero.
It's a way for us to let the floodgates open of the wā hire ngaro. E kāna ki tēnei pukapuka me te kupu whakahirahira.
Kia ora.
Damn, I'm good.
Just give us the rerenga kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
Yeah. Yes, and if you want that in a ringtone or a text tone,
it goes like this. Patuhi kōrero tēnā pānui mai. Oh, yeah.
That is a text ringtone.
That is so good as a ringtone or text.
As Madonna would say, you're welcome.
All right, ko tēnei iti te kupu ko he tohe puruhi. Puruhi. There's no tohu to on any of this. He tohe puruhi. Puruhi.
Is the three of them?
Puruhi.
He tohe
Puruhi.
He tohe is like a debate.
Yes, tohe. I didn't even think of that. Now I looked at the English and yes, it makes sense.
Okay, and puruhi is like bull.
Oh.
Puruhi. So you're having a debate with someone and he's all bull puruhete.
Well, according to this puka, it's not a bull.
Okay.
It's something very, very,
but
very itty.
Is there debate bull? Debatable.
Debatable. That was good. Carl, this has got to do with something very small that can be like a it can be a debate. Like can be tohe, like
help.
Got a chip on the shoulder.
Okay.
Puruhi, a chip. No, a puruhi is a, well, apparently according to this book. Should I tell you?
Yeah.
A flea.
Oh, okay. So you've got tohe, flea, a flea bite.
A flea.
You haven't
tohe.
washed your sheets.
So what does a
You've
flea?
got pets and you let them sleep with you.
What does a flea do? It pisses you off.
Yeah. They give you bites.
But it's irritating.
It's irritating.
And,
Okay.
and they're so small. So this
so you got a whiner. Oh, he's such a moaner.
Close, pretty much.
Oh, tohe puruhi. Oh, he's just like, oh, what about me? Oh, I haven't had any.
Oh, this is right on. Me ua ka makare te puruhi I te tangata, I te karerehe I te aha atu rānei. He kupu whakarite tēnei mō tētahi tangata whakahoha mō te tangata I tio ana I ētahi pēnei anō I te puruhi. So it's sort of just like a little flea. It's called a flea's quarrel. He tohe puruhi. Rarely does a flea abandon a person or an animal or anything else for that matter. This kupu whakarite is for a person who is so freaking bothering and irritating, much like the flea. They just annoy you and they don't let it go.
Right.
He tohe puruhi.
Paitera.
Aye.
Can you think of some people?
I can.
Hare atu.
He's not here today.
Who?
Yeah, we love him.
Tohe puruhi.
What is this one? Oh, he kore maki. Oh, no, we just said that. Oh, okay, yeah.
Was there anyone telling that?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was it. But it makes sense. I know a few people like this. But they won't do anything about it, but they will be annoying about it. And they'll bring it up. Like someone who's got a grudge. Yeah, and you just hold on to that grudge. They're annoying, but they will not let it go.
What's something that I don't let go of yours?
When I talk about my farts.
Oh, yeah. No, yeah, that's right.
What were you thinking?
No, I don't know. I was just like, what's something about you?
What's something about you, Mas? No.
Yeah, no, yours is always poos and wheeze.
And you're like, just doesn't let it go.
Tohe puruhi. Nah, is that a good example?
Well, yes, it's sort of like you could use it as politicians because politicians can be persistently annoying.
Yes.
Because they won't
or,
let it go.
Know, like some people, like some protesters.
Oh, yeah, like the protesters in Wellington who went to Parliament to protest when Parliament's closed for the rest of the year. Here, tohe puruhi.
Karoha hoki, eh? Like they got there and they're like, who's the organiser? Why did we come today?
Sorry, the door's actually closed till February. No one's actually here right now. But keep going. Yes. So it is someone who's persistent right to the very end.
Just annoying.
But anyway, you can. I personally think you can use it in a positive way. Because a flea gets what it wants and it bites.
And no one wants to be compared to a flea.
No.
No one likes a flea.
No.
Like me.
Oh, what? Yeah, so
that was like the end of a song out of I think it was a circus.
Oh.
The play. We played it at primary school.
No,
there was Altone's song.
Flea.
Like me.
Oh.
Was that your song, Alternate? I'm not too sure.
It's beautiful.
I know. Or did he play the ringmaster? I know Marla Brown played the ringmaster for her school.
Cute.
Or did she? That Jacob and Marla played the
flea
weightlifter's assistant. I'm
Cute.
not too sure.
Anyway, he tohe puruhi, you could use it for anything. Like if you got little kids that are just being like,
oh, you little puruhi.
You little puruhi. Leave me alone. Like, annoying.
If puruhi tato kuri. Anyway, that's enough.
Poo.
It's a kupu.
That was our Rerenga Kōrero. Rerenga Kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
Hey! Very shortly, we are drawing the winner for
12 Days of Christmas!
So, everybody put your skates on.
There's been a few people already coming through.
Yes.
With some entries, so those have been currently put in at the moment.
That's right.
So, hey, we could be taking away some prizes.
Yeah.
All you got to do is tag, share, tag, like, follow, boom, you're in.
It's the most.
We've got lots of prizes to give away this week, and they all have to go by Thursday.
Yeah.
So Thursday,
we just want to give them all away.
Yes, I think by Thursday we're actually giving away up to 5. I think 4 or 5 prizes.
That's right.
So you have to be in to win.
They've all been local prizes, local businesses.
Yes.
A lot of Pakihi Māori. If you fit that what do you call it? Kaupapa. And you want to give away some prizes from your own Pakihi Māori, let us know.
Yes.
We'll give them away on 12 Days of Christmas.
So if you are just new to the show, shame on you. And if you have been on the show for ages and you haven't entered, terrible. But if you do watch Ellen does the same thing. And all of her audience get opportunity to win something for 12 Days of Christmas.
She does it now. She saw what we were doing and she did it.
Yeah.
What a copy.
She's a copy.
Anyway,
but we're doing the same thing. So, hey, we've got a Pack and Save voucher worth $100. We've got a Key restaurant voucher worth the value of $100. We have got a Birdman merchandise, Heartier merchandise, Common Ground Fitness gym membership. We have got what's the Na'aoerua Designs.
We've got our favourite out there butter pie.
Oh yes,
our week's worth.
That's right. We've also got the biggest of all, dinner for 4 people plus the crew, 4 of our crew, with courtesy of Fat Boy Barbecue, you fatty boy. And that'll be you'll be drawn this week, but the dinner will be on Friday the 21st of January.
That's right, there's a date.
So if you are outside of Whangarei, hey, that's okay. You need to get here yourself. If you win it and you're overseas, that's okay.
You can trade it in or something.
Correct. But everyone is to win something. So hey, we're going to try.
That's right. For 12 Days of Christmas! Prizes be drawn next. But right now, here is one of my favourite Christmas songs. It's CeeLo Green and Rod Stewart. Merry Christmas, baby. Ngāti Hine FM.
Merry Christmas, baby. Sure they're treating me real nice. I said, Merry Christmas, baby. You sure did treat me nice. Bought me a diamond ring for Christmas, and I feel like I'm in paradise. Alright. Well, I'm feeling mighty fine, y'all. Got my music on the radio. Said I'm feeling mighty nice, y'all. Got my music on the radio. Feel like I wanna kiss you, baby, standing underneath that mistletoe. That mistletoe, yeah. Santa came down the chimney, 3:30, y'all, and he left all them good presents for my baby. I said, Merry Christmas, baby. Sure you treat me nice. Sure you treat me nice. You bought me all in presents. Now I feel like I'm in paradise. Paradise. Oh yeah, yeah. About 4:30. Left all them presents for me, lying on the floor. I said, Merry Christmas, baby. Sure they treat me nice. Yeah. Said you called me a diamond ring for Christmas, and I feel like I'm in paradise. I feel like I'm in paradise. Merry Christmas, baby. You sure have treated me well. I said, Merry Christmas, baby. You sure have treated me well. to keep me away. Well, you told me to call you up for Christmas, and I feel I'm in paradise. I feel like I'm in paradise. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, baby. Happy New Year. May the good Lord be with you. May the good Lord be with you. May the good Lord be with you.
He mea tautoko nā te manga.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whāngarei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi.
Iwa
here we
ira
go.
ono, tōmita, torohe. Ngāti Hine FM.
I think I'm on now. Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whāngarei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tuatu I hiku rangi morena e te iwi! E te iwi!
Hi, Tate Ma. We are just getting into the final stages of adding our new entrance because the entries is coming in as we speak, and we've added you all. So if you're like, oh no, I only added just now, we just added you.
We're doing it right now.
So, kia ora.
bear with us because there is a lot more people this time around, and we've got a few more minutes left of the show, and someone's going to take away a lucky prize for 12 Days of Christmas. I can't wait for this. I get really excited about this. Are you ready? Oh, she's nearly there.
Ready, iti, iwi, hey, tonu.
Now, if you are listening at home on the radio, and you can't see what's happening, we have a virtual spinning wheel that's done online, so it's all fair, and everyone else watching online can see that it's not us doing it; it's the internet, and we also then do the draw of what you're going to be winning. So it's all pretty fair, but I'll do the commentary for those listening at home on the radio, and for everyone watching at home, hey, best of luck to you.
Get it. All right, it's what's this part called?
12 Days of Christmas! Oh, I can't wait!
Get your skates on!
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Right, it's here we spin the spinner of names first. There they are.
And remember, well, look at the thousands. There's thousands. Hey, remember also, the more entries you have, the more people you tag, the more opportunity you have to win a prize.
Kia ora. I'm so excited. Okay.
Me too. Look at it. Oh, that's so cool.
Here we go. If you entered ages ago when we first started, your name is still
there
until you win a prize, okay? And those who win a prize, won a prize.
Yeah, who are they? We've got Vina Rahui, who she won.
We had Talalele Niwati.
Yes.
We had
yes.
Prioritizing Ali.
That's right. And I think that's it.
And
Funamilina. Here we go.
Today's winner is...
If the wheel is spinning, the wheel is spinning. It is spinning the thousands. Oh, it's making a noise. It's going around. Here we go. Hey!
Tahiwi Preston!
Tahiwi Preston! Congratulations, Tahiwi. You are today's winner, but what? What are you taking away?
Tahiwi.
Everyone bowing to bingo cheer. It is the most wonderful time of the year.
Okay.
Tahiwi Preston, you are today's lucky winner. Let's see what you're taking away, Mr. Preston.
Okay.
Second wheel. Here we go. Marcy's getting the second wheel ready. This is the wheel that determines the prize.
Same wheel, Marcy.
That's the same one. It's okay. Here we go. She's finding the wheel. Here we go. Oh no. Yeah.
Wheel of prizes.
The wheel of prizes is coming up. Here we go. I can't see anything. It's gone.
I can see it.
It's gone. Oh, there we go. Here's the back. The wheel is spinning. Here we go. What are you going to be taking away? Huey Preston, you are taking away Birdman merchandise! Yes! Congratulations, our winner for today, to Huey Preston. Woo! Yes! Oh, to Huey Preston, you are today's winner for 12 Days of Christmas. You are taking away Birdman merchandise, which is my little brand, so I will be sending that out to you. I'll get in touch with you soon.
Yes, you'll be happy to know that Luke's branched out to budgie smugglers.
I actually have. So to Huey Preston, get your boo tag out, buddy. Boo tag. Boo chugga laka laka. Work, twerk. Yes, congratulations. You've won the Birdman merchandise. Woo-hoo!
Yes.
Oh, great. This is cool. I'm so excited.
Hard out. Just like that. All the names, you're in there. You're still in the draw. If you haven't won yet, you've still got I don't know, maybe seven more chances.
You've got, you probably got 7 more chances.
Yeah.
Because Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday's got heaps.
12 days of Christmas!
To Huey Preston, I'm just going to go onto your Instagram handle now and message you because you are our winner, and I'll be asking you for a address.
Yes, all right, Huey. That is our 12 Days of Christmas draw for today. More prizes coming this week, so you got to be in to win. And listen out for the chance to win again. Hey, our pawpaw. Right now, let's get back to the rhythm. Woo! Here's Last Christmas. It's Wham!
Oh, thank you, man.
Thank you, ma'am. Guys, see you FM.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special, special. Once bitten and twice shy, I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. Christmas, I wrapped it up and sent it with a note saying I love you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kissed me now, I know you'd fool me again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special, special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special, special. Oh, baby. Crowded room, friends with tired eyes. I'm hiding from you, and you're so revised. My God, I thought you were someone to rely on. Me, I guess I was a shoulder to cry on. A face on a lover with a fire in his heart. A man undercover, but you tore me apart. Ooh, now I found a real love, you'll never fool me again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the
I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, next day, you I'll give it to someone special. Face on the letter, fire in his heart. Gave you I'll give it
Nau mai haere mai ki te whare haura o ngā tihine. Ka wero a koe ki te rongoa ārai ma te kowhiori, tuatahi, tuarua, tuatoru rāne.
Ka puare ngā kuahao whare o torongare mai i te iwa ki te whā, mane ki te praere.
He mea he āwanga he pātai rānei au, haere ki www.nhht.co.nz.
Waia mai ki kore waru kore kore, rua whetū rua, whā waru, whā rua.
Te tino whakamuri kia anga whakamua. Learning from the events of the past for the oranga toke rau.
Koira te pai o te rautaki, me kōrero. Maroto i te kōrero ka rapu tātou i te pīwatawata. Kia taka ko ngā ununahi o te kanohi, me te kite te oranga, kei roto. E nei, mā te kōrero ngātahi, teina ki te tuakana ki te teina. Tātou ka marama mea pehea tātou, ko tahi ai tā tātou anga whakamua.
Visit angawhakamua.co.nz to learn more.
Under the COVID-19 traffic light system, some workplaces and roles will require vaccination. To help employers and employees work together to make this happen, there's also been some updates to employment law. For example, employers should provide employees with reasonable time off so they can get vaccinated to help keep everyone safe. For more information and other updates on vaccination and the workplace, please visit employment.govt.nz. That's employment.govt.nz.
Kia ora, my name's Steve and I am a stevedore foreman here at Littleton Port Company. I'm proud to say that I'm vaccinated. I was vaccinated because I have a 4-year-old granddaughter living with me at home, and the last thing that I'd want to do is take something into my own home.
Getting vaccinated helps protect the people you love. To talk to someone about getting vaccinated, call 0800 28 29 26 or visit covid19.govt.nz.
Raumati, hala mai. Safety tips.
This one is just the basic one, whānau, it's just a reminder if you're out there camping or on the side of the beach or, just doing those things, whānau, make sure to turn your lights off on your vehicle because you don't want to be stuck out there, makariri, freezing, no towel, and hello, you go to start your car up to use the heater and she does not start because you have a flat battery. So whānau, always make sure to turn your fellas' lights off. Don't keep your lights on or else you get a flat battery. And to make sure that the battery is well maintained, got enough acid in the battery, and always make sure that if you buy a battery, there should be a indication light on it. So green is for good, orange is for charge, and red is for dead. So whānau, if you're out there, please make sure you got a good battery and keep it charged. This is our holiday tip for you this time. Have a great, safe, happy holiday.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Yeah, that's right. I'm checking the acid in my battery. Well, who checks the acid in the battery?
Thank you, Harvey. It's a iwi kua tōtera ki runga I tēnei hōtaka o tātou. It is like 7 minutes away from 9 o'clock.
That's right.
Which means kua pōtera. Kia ki te kura.
Ai.
Ngā
anahira I don't need to puke.
Oh, kia ora.
It is time for...
What?
Oh, you pushed the button.
Oh, okay. I was like, what's the time for?
Ai.
Ai.
It is time for that part. The facts or cacks.
Aye.
Random facts that you can live your life by but may not actually abide by them.
Bring it.
Here we go. Did you know, fun fact number 184.
Yes.
Gossiping helps lower stress.
Okay.
Which I thought would cause more stress and anxiety.
Well, I suppose if you think you're being gossiped about, but those gossiping, it seems like it just off the tip of the tongue.
If you're gossiping, it lowers your stress level.
Kia ora.
Interesting, isn't it?
Yes.
I've got another one here. Have you got some?
No, you go.
Okay. Most door open and close signs are actually placebos. So you know how you have a button on a door, or it'll have a sign that says to push, but you actually don't push that sign. It's a placebo, so it does nothing at all when pressed to give us a sense of control.
Kia ora.
You know, say push, and you don't that particular piece of sticker. You just says push the door, like it says push. You don't actually push that sticker. It's a placebo to make you have a sense of control.
Sense of falsehood.
Yeah. It's amazing. I didn't think of it like that.
What's it? Placebo.
Yeah. So it does nothing. It gives you control.
Okay. Last fact.
Oh, sorry about it.
Well, it's time for us to go. I want to get the Grammy music.
Oh, okay. The biggest lie ever in history is I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions.
This is true because no one reads those.
Especially those on Facebook when they say, I refuse to do this on Facebook, taking my privacy. It's like, girl, you click the button.
I love though that there's people listening right now and also people in the past that are like, I read it. You don't read it.
You don't read it. Who does? Even Mark Zuckerberg don't read it. The biggest lie ever is I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions.
What's the second one you reckon?
The biggest lie?
Yeah.
I love you.
Wow! I didn't see that coming.
Some people say I love you. They don't love you.
Oh my gosh.
They want to smash you.
Yeah. No, the other one is, the biggest one is,
no, I do
can we go somewhere, or can I have this? Yeah, later.
Oh, yes! Yeah, we'll do it later.
Later is a no.
You're lying to your kids! You're lying to them!
And as a kid, we got the laters.
No, yeah, later. Oh, yeah, that's funny.
Can we go see that? Yeah, later. I love it.
By the way, when I say I love you to people, I mean it.
Kia ora.
Yeah.
You haven't said I love you to me.
Hari huri tai kia koe, hari huri tai kia koe, hari huri tai kia koto. Hari huri tai kia koe.
And a list of birthday goers today. We've got Auntie Sarah Clark. We've got Sherry Poor Buddy. Oh my God, that's so encouraging. We got Diane Coleman. We've got Lavinia Rogo. And we've got Natasha Sadler.
And we've got Hari huri tai koutou katoa.
Aye. Maya mate no kone. Hari huri tai. Okay. What else am I going to say? 12 days of Christmas.
It's tomorrow.
That's right.
You've only got a few more chances to win. On Thursday, we'll be drawing at least, I think, 4 prizes, maybe 5. But hey, keep those entries coming in. If you've won, hey, you're out.
Maya mau mo tēnei wā. Kia kaha.
Kia Maya.
Kia nifu.
Bye, everybody. Have a great day.
Ere mara. Yes, that's Annie. It's Mama Annie. It's language. So sorry for Luke. Yes, it is.
See you, everybody. Bye.
This tension made us feel away. Rhythm of a place so far away. Ooh, the closer I get to know you, that much more I want to say. A million questions to be answered. Do you mind I ask you today? To know what makes you so beautiful. I met you. My heart is filled with poetry. I'm learning to trust my feelings.
E ngā iwi o te motu, tēnā koutou katoa, Scotty Morris.